Do you want to learn about the most innovative companies that you can invest in order to get rich? I'm going to show you how you can invest in 10 plus stocks that are very innovative that will more than likely triple in growth in the future in value in the stock market. And I'm going to show you how to invest in all of these with just $100. And I'm actually putting my money where my mouth is because I'm going to show you how I'm doing this exactly. Alright, so let's go ahead and reveal these companies to you. What's going on, subscribers? Welcome back to the Flaming Profits YouTube channel, where I teach you how to become a more profitable investor in the stock market. Yes, that's right. So make sure you subscribe to this YouTube channel so that you do not miss out on any videos that will make you a lot of money in the future. And also, if you're new, make sure you hit the subscribe button and like the video before we get started. Also, leave me a comment down below. I want to know if you have any questions or what you thought of the video. It really helps me out as well. Alright, so before we get started, I do want to share some of our amazing referral links. So this is M1 Finance. You get $10 as soon as you get started investing with them. So it's $10 of free money. Just by using the link that I have in the description. Is very easy to do, and you get free $10 to invest in any stock that you want. Also, in Robinhood, you get a free stock, so a whole stock that you will actually own, just by using the link that I have in the description. So really easy to do, no reason why not to do it. Also, Acorns, you get $5 of free money that you can use to invest with, and I actually invest my cash back, so I get 2%, but because I invested, I end up getting about 7 to 8% just by using Acorns. And then we have Webull. You actually get 2 free stocks when you sign up. I did this and I sold both of them, and so now I have about $15 of free money that I transferred to my bank account. So now it's free money that I get to use. And then this is a secured credit card that gives you 1 to 2% cash back on every single purchase. And they're actually offering right now a $50 sign up bonus. So you get $50 of free spending money if you sign up using the link that I have in the description. So just some offers that are out there so that you take advantage of them. Without further ado, let's go ahead and get started with the video. Alright, so I will be using M1 Finance for this. This is an amazing brokerage. I actually have about 5 portfolios, all with different purposes in this platform. So this is my $2 million dividend portfolio. So basically, I want to have $2 million in this account, and it's slowly growing as I add more money monthly. And those are the holdings that I have. All dividends get reinvested automatically. I'm up about 13.56% on this portfolio. And then we have my lifetime dividends and growth. This is my retirement account where I have long-term investments that will do really well in the future, and I will eventually cash it out for retirement. So I'm building this, adding monthly investments into this account, and it gets reinvested into all those companies that I have there. That's the beautiful thing about M1 Finance. I absolutely love it and use it every single day, and that's the $10 off referral link that I have that you can use. You get $10 to use it in here. And then this is my index mastery. So in case everything else fails, I'm at least being diversified by investing in broad index funds. I also have Berkshire Hathaway. To me, that's kind of like an index fund as well. And then we also have my diversification all-weather portfolio. So I want to make sure I'm well balanced by having investments in different industries in the stock market. So I basically have them all right here, and all my money gets diversified into all of these. So this is what we're talking about today, the most innovative portfolio. This is a portfolio that I'm beginning to build. So these are handpicked by me. I picked very innovative companies that are basically changing the world with their products, and they actually have a lot of potential in the future. I have many different holdings here, like Disney, Facebook. All of these companies are very, very innovative and are changing the way that we do things in our daily lives. Intuitive Surgical, they're revolutionizing how we do surgeries. I also have like Microsoft, Nvidia, Okta, a software company for cloud computing, and then Salesforce, Shopify, Square, Take-Two Interactive, Tesla, my biggest holding, Visa, VMware, and then Zoom. So all these are very innovative companies. I think they have a long growth ahead of them. I am gonna ask y'all a favor. If you can think of any innovative company that you think is gonna be successful in the future and are doing great things now, let me know in the comment section down below. I'm very interested in your opinion so that I can actually add it to this portfolio. So all these portfolios, I'm adding a certain dollar value every single month, and it gets invested in all of these holdings that I have. So I am absolutely loving M1 Finance. It's a great platform for you to use. Alright, so there we go, subscribers. Those are the most innovative companies that I can think of, and I handpicked them. I'm adding these to this portfolio that I'm going to start with M1 Finance. Like I said, let me know what you think are your top 2 most innovative companies so that I can go ahead and research them and add them to this portfolio. Make sure you like this video, subscribe if you're new, it really helps me out. Alright, so I'll see y'all in the next video. Stay in tune. Alright, peace.